Welcome to my channel where Saf, Alex Brady and Mario Biondi performed on Hit the Road Jack at Sanremo 2026 and where it was a outstanding effort and performance from Saf, Alex Brady and Mario Biondi where their first and second day performance was also a outstanding performance, and I rate day 4 performance of Saf, Alex and Mario as their best performance of Sanremo 2026. Check out guys, it is a must watch performance from Saf, Alex and Mario.